Welcome back to the Headline Roast, where today's news gets grilled harder than your job interview after saying I work well under pressure, immediately sweating through your shirt. We've got canceled student dreams, airport meltdowns, teenage rap gods, courtside chaos, and robots plotting our obsolescence. So grab your sarcasm goggles and maybe a helmet. We're diving in. Brain teaser answer from last episode? Last time we asked, what's the highest grossing video game of all time? The answer is Minecraft, with over 300 million copies sold. That's right. Blocky dirt, square sheep, and no storyline made more money than Hollywood ever dreamed of. Somewhere, a programmer is sipping coffee in a diamond mansion built entirely of irony. Today's headlines feature the NCAA trimming student athletes like their unwanted subscriptions. Heathrow becoming a vortex of canceled dreams, a 17-year-old redefining cool before he can rent a car. Coaching legends colliding like Greek gods with clipboards. NVIDIA showing up with tech so advanced it makes our brains buffer just thinking about it. NCAA cuts college sports dreams like a budget spreadsheet. The NCAA has spoken, and what it said was, let's make college sports feel more like applying for Squid Game. Thousands of athletes are about to be cut from rosters. Fewer opportunities, same mountain of debt, but now with extra bitterness. It's like the American dream, only with more paperwork and fewer scholarships. Heathrow goes full chaos mode after fire cancels 1,300 flights. A fire at a substation shut down Heathrow. Over 1,300 flights were canceled. Luggage went on solo adventures, passengers aged visibly in real time, and the baggage carousel turned into a therapy circle.
Oh.
This wasn't a delay. This was a character-building exercise nobody asked for. Netspend is 17, famous, and cooler than you'll ever be. Netspend is 17 and already doing more than most of us will accomplish in a lifetime. He raps models for Miu Miu and trends on TikTok without even trying. His name sounds like a Cash App, but his vibes say main character. Meanwhile, we're just trying to remember what we walked into the kitchen for. Pitino versus Calipari. March Madness becomes Coach Fight Night. Rick Pitino's St. John's team crushed Omaha, and now they're facing off against John Calipari's Arkansas. Two Hall of Fame coaches, one bracket. Enough ego to power a small city? This isn't just basketball. This is ancient rivalry dressed in sneakers and polo shirts. If ESPN doesn't make a docuseries out of this, we riot. NVIDIA drops Quantum Day and a chip that might replace you. NVIDIA dropped its new AI chip, the Blackwell Ultra. Introduced a robot named Groot and declared Quantum Day like it's a tech solstice. These machines now do everything short of writing your breakup texts. We're entering a future where even your toaster might judge your life choices. Hope you updated your software. Brain teaser for next episode. What was the first video ever uploaded to YouTube? Drop your guesses in the comments and prepare to feel both old and enlightened next time. And that's your headline roast. Like, comment, subscribe, and send this to the last person who made you cringe in a group chat. If the world keeps falling apart, we'll be here with duct tape and jokes. I'll see you next time.